Hi, this is Emory, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a problem about dividing absolute values. Here's the problem. Harry, Hermione, and Ron are studying for Professor Snape's math test of magicalness. They need to know the absolute value of negative 394. Subtract by 4,000, then divide by 2. What is the absolute value of this answer? To find the absolute value, you need to have a number line like this. And say, let's say negative 394 is right here. This is, okay, 0 is here. Find the absolute value. We need to say how many spots, how many numbers it is from 0 on the number line. It would not be negative 394, it would be how many spaces away it is. So then that would mean it is. Scratch out the negative. What is that? 394. That is our answer for right here. So now we need to subtract by 4,000. So we need to have 4,000 here. Yes, 4,000. Okay. And have 300, not negative 394. Regular positive 394 here. And we need to start subtracting. To start, 0 cannot be subtracted by 4, so we need to keep borrowing, but of course we can't borrow from zeros. We have a positive number, or a whole number, or whatever, a number that we can borrow from. We need to turn this into a 3, turn this into 10, this into 9, and this also into 10. Okay, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 10 minus 3 is 7, and 0 minus nothing is 3. So we have our number 3,706. So now our next step is to divide by 2. To divide by 2, okay, so we need to divide that number by 2. The number is 3,706 okay, by 2. 2 goes into 37 18 times. 18 times 2 is 36. Subtract this, and that makes 1. Bring down the 0. 2 goes into 10. 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And that is 0. And then we need to bring down the 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And as we all know, 3 times 2 is 6. So we have our number here. 1,853. That's our number. That is our number. Now for our final step, we need to, what is the absolute value of this answer? To find the absolute value of this answer, like negative 394, except it's the same thing. How many spaces is away from 0 on the number line? So 1,853 is here. And but how many spaces is it away from 0? It would not be a negative number, so that is x. That's wrong. So then it would actually be, it is 1,853 spaces numbers away from 0 on the number line. So that is our answer. I'm so glad. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something. So I'll see you all later. Bye.